Hello everyone, my name is Jun Jakapat Gyasot. I'm a student of Thadadai Vidya School. I'm studying in Pathayam 3 EP. My student code is 25256. Today, I'm going to present you a science project about human heart. Heart is a very important organ of our body. Our heart is made of cardiac muscles. A human heart has 4 chambers. 1. Right atrium. 2. Right ventricles. 3. Left atrium. 4. Left ventricles. Heart has also 4 walls. This wall stops the backflow of blood and keep the blood flow in one direction. 1. Tricuspid wall. 2. Pulmonary wall. 3. Bicuspid wall. 4. Semilineal wall. Blood flows in human heart. Blood from all our body come into heart by vena cava. To vena cava, blood enters into right atrium. From right atrium, blood flow into right ventricle to tricuspid wall. From right ventricle, the blood flow to lung by pulmonary artery, passing pulmonary wall. From lung, the blood come back to heart by pulmonary vein. Blood enters to left atrium. From atrium, the blood flow into ventricle to bicuspid wall. From left ventricle, the blood moves into aorta to seminilateral wall. And from aorta, the blood goes to all parts of our body. Okay, let me show you the real heart. Don't worry, it's not human heart, it's pig's heart. Okay, let's see. The blood from all our body will come to vena cava. This is vena cava. The blood will come into right atrium. This is right atrium. Then it will go to right ventricle. Between right ventricle and right atrium is a wall. This is called tricuspid wall. Then the blood will go to the lung by pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary vein. Between pulmonary vein and right ventricle is a wall called pulmonary wall. Okay, the blood from the lungs will come back into heart through pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. Then the blood will come into this left atrium. Then it will go to left ventricle. Between left atrium and left ventricle is a wall. This is called bicuspid wall. Then from left ventricle, blood from left ventricle will go to aorta through the seminal wall. Okay, this is aorta. This is the biggest blood vessel in our body. Then from this, it will go to all our part of body again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my project.